Hi, my name's Jim Simmons. I'm a trainer here at SoftEd, and today we're going to talk about design thinking. In a previous whiteboard session, I gave you an overview of some design thinking frameworks and some tips on how your teams can make those frameworks work. But today I want to take a step back and look at the philosophy behind design thinking and talk to you about why design thinking matters and why it's such a powerful tool for your teams to use. Now, we all know how the traditional waterfall approach to building projects or products works, as we do a sequential assembly line from the business people, the strategy people, developing a brief and a high-level concept for what we want to do, passing that on to the people who will build it, usually technologists, maybe some designers who flesh everything out, make it functional, and then on to UAT and testing and improve the design and the usability before we ship it out. Whereas an agile design thinking approach includes all of the disciplines collaborating together to analyze the problem, co-develop the solution, test and incrementally make improvements to the project so that maximum value is achieved for both the user and the business. So the Agile Manifesto presents us with 4 values and 12 principles. 2 of those principles imply a design thinking approach. Number 4, business people and developers work together daily throughout the project. Number 12, the best architectures, requirements, and designs emerge from self-organizing teams. So design thinking is not what designers do. It's what the whole team working together, coalescing around a problem and tackling it together come up with. It's a process that tackles the problem with all of the energies and expertise at the same time. Quick history lesson. One of the first uses of the term design thinking was in a 1959 book called Creative Engineering. The author John Arnold stated that design thinking should address these 4 items: novel functionality for a newly discovered problem or a new approach to an existing problem, higher performance in the solution that you already have, lower production costs, or increased saleability or desirability or marketing ability. Arnold felt that a team should try and achieve all 4 of these items, these design thinking approaches, if possible. So we work together. We take into account market research, customer empathy, technical capability, and the processes by which we're going about working together as a team. The team includes our end users, our customers. They've got a perspective and a point of view that also needs to be part of how we're working, right? And to be successful, we have to learn from each other about our other disciplines so that designers can add business thinking to their approach. Technology people can think of user experience approaches, and we coalesce. That's what makes this whole thing work. That means people need to be curious about learning other things and apply intentional learning to the way they work. That's a cultural thing, and some teams struggle to get that culture going. So pay attention to it, work on that, get that working for you. It's very powerful. The point that I'm hoping I'm making here today is that these agile ways of working are the core, the agile mindset are at the core of design thinking. That's what makes design thinking work. If you've got a strong agile team, you're probably going to be taking a design thinking approach, whether you're aware of it or not. Good luck with putting all this stuff to work. Thanks.